Happy Vlogmas Day 4. I am in Oklahoma now, editing content that we recorded last week. We're going to share with you Dazzling Nights at Leu Gardens in Orlando. You will be getting Oklahoma content as well, but for this Vlogmas, I know a lot of people will film, edit, and then the next day post what they did the next day. For this Vlogmas, I'm not doing quite that. But I wanted to set this video up. First of all, we have to get the Christmas movie of the day out of the way. And since Dazzling Nights is all about the Christmas lights and Christmas displays, today's Christmas movie is Deck the Halls. And this is with Matthew Broderick, and Danny DeVito, and then Kristen Chenoweth is also in this. I think it's funny. It has horrible reviews and ratings, but I think it's a funny film, so go check it out. It is on Hulu. I have it up here on my phone. It's on Hulu, I believe, Paramount Plus, and Pluto TV. And Pluto TV is free. So if you don't have Hulu or Paramount, Pluto, as I said, is free. So as we get into Dazzling Nights, we forgot the SD card to the camera. I'm recording on the DJI Pocket, and so we had no SD card for the camera, so we couldn't record with this camera. So quality is iPhone quality, which can be fine, even though this camera that's in my hand does really good job in low light. And we unfortunately didn't have it, and TJ was recording some on his phone, I was recording some on mine. We brought it together, and this is what you got. So thanks for joining me again for Vlogmas, and I hope you enjoy Dazzling Nights. It really is a great event in Orlando. Good evening. Hello. We are at Dazzling Lights tonight at Leu Gardens. This is brought to you by Creative City Project and the Memoir Project. The Memoir Agency. So we were here for their Halloween festivities and got a preview of that.
So much fun.
It was really cool. And I've been seeing stuff about this on the social media, and it looks very impressive from all the stuff I've been seeing. Already it's pretty impressive. There is lights hanging behind us on this big, is it an oak tree? I think it's an oak tree. And even as we were driving in, I could see through the trees that there was definitely stuff happening. So we're gonna take you around tonight to show you. This is happening through December. Starts just after Thanksgiving through December. And TJ is gonna show you the map.
Yeah, they gave us a map, so I'm gonna open that up.
It's quite extensive.
Yeah, they have plenty of stuff going on.
It takes up the entire Leu Gardens, like just like the Halloween installment. I mean, it's pretty cool. Yeah. So let's check things out. Come with us. Yeah.
Here we go. Keep it steady. Smile.
This is the Luminary Trail.
So pretty.
It's beautiful. There's 4 sections. It looks bigger than that, than just 4 sections, but this is really beautiful. right, this area is really cool because it's hanging Christmas trees with colored lights, which I know TJ loves.
Yeah.
The colored lights.
It's an old school vibe.
Yeah, very like vintage, old school. Someone said like they were feeling Harry Potter vibes, kind of, but with colored lights and like the hanging. Yeah, I get the hanging. Like it's kind of a magical vibe.
Yeah.
Because the trees are floating. Very nice.
Alright, so now we are here at the maze, but it is the snowman disco escape. Well, the disco ball's back here.
Is that what it's called? The Snowman Disco Escape?
Yep.
Oh my.
So we're gonna see how long it takes you to get there.
Well, it should be the same as Halloween, so we should hopefully remember it.
Hopefully.
We'll see. Hopefully the snowman doesn't try to scare us like at Halloween. It was
Okay.
scares and
Listen here, fat man. I've been good for 365 days, but I'm gonna be reloading in 5 minutes. Girl, give me what I want. Chasing the clouds away.
Only took 5 minutes.
yeah, it wasn't bad. Actually,
No.
there was no tricks in that this year in that maze.
No, just the
Or excuse me, this season, because we only did it a few months ago, but there was some tricks during Halloween, but there's no tricks in the maze this year. It's pretty much straight through.
just the disco snowmen.
Yeah, the disco snowmen are funny, and it's very foggy or smoky. They have smoke machines in there tonight. It's giving, I guess, 70s disco floor vibes with all that smoke and fog.
It's giving Beyonce Renaissance.
Okay.
I thought of.
Okay. But very cute. The event is really great. It will probably take you an hour plus to get through the whole experience. It's quite the path. I think
Yes.
we walked pretty quickly through, and there's probably, because it's a media night, there's not as many people here probably. So I would just allot like an hour's worth of a walkthrough, if not an hour and a half. Very nicely done.
Very, yes.
I highly recommend coming out. And it's just a nice, affordable option for the holidays, and you're supporting local here, Orlando. So I really liked it.
Yes, I agree. And it's affordable, like you said, and it's great for the kids too. It's great for a family night
Yeah, they
out.
had bouncy houses, or a big bouncy thing.
And they do have options for drinks. I saw they had drink stations, so you won't be thirsty at all.
Excuse the camera
It's
and the fact that you can't see us very well.
yeah.
We unfortunately don't have the DJI tonight because we forgot the SD card. So thanks for bearing with us.
Yep.
On the iPhone.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you guys for joining us.
Yeah. And we will see you guys next time.
Whatever you